How to withdraw on Kraken. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Ben Visnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw on Kraken. Now, I'll just be guiding you through. The process is pretty quick and simple. Unfortunately, I'm unable to show you in detail here because I'm unable to access my account due to certain reasons here. However, in order to withdraw, first you want to sign into your Kraken account and then you want to head over to the withdrawal page. Now, ensure you are on the withdrawal tab in a new page. Then on the drop down you'll be pre-populated with your available cash. Under the withdrawal type drop down, select a funding provider, then add a new bank account that you wish to receive, and then you'll be able to request a withdrawal. So this is the way that you can easily withdraw on Kraken. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.